skin off.
You guys are taking all my skin off. You have to put Skittles on the circumference of the plate and divide it by 35 times pi.
You're watching Triplet World.
Alright, Ray, you want to peel my skin off?
Yeah.
Mom was peeling it off last night. You try it. Go ahead.
Okay.
Ah! Do it again. Do it again. Take it off. Oh, don't cry, baby. Oh my gosh, Ray. Oh my gosh.
Not that skin, not that skin.
Oh. You just peeled off my skin, Ray. Oh my gosh. Hold on to that as a souvenir. Keep it in your pocket. Get it. Oh my gosh. Come on, Ray. Come on, work hard, Ray. Oh my gosh. Ray, you're peeling all my skin off, Ray. Ray, get it, Ray, get it. Oh my gosh.
All of your skin is off. But not the skin all
You
over.
guys are taking all my skin off.
But not over here your skin is off.
Brady, take it off, Brady, take it off. All right, Rylan, you excited?
Yep.
Where are we going?
We're going on the train.
Where are we going, Ray?
We're going on the train.
Are you excited? Is this your first train ride ever?
Yeah, we're going on an adventure. Yeah, but what color is our train?
Going on an adventure. It's probably a silver train.
I hope it's a speed train. No, speed train.
These trains go fast. They go about 60 miles an hour. So we're taking our first train ride ever. Told the boys we take an adventure today, so that's what we're gonna do. How excited are you guys to take a train today?
So excited.
So excited. Oh, it's gonna go fast. Watch out the window.
Oh, my eyes are too fast.
This is the train tube.
Some other train going faster. Look at the boat. Look the same thing as hey, those are the highways that we go to at Mary.
Yep. We just came from Aunt Mary's house. Alright, so we took our train ride. How did you guys like the train?
Good.
Was it having fun?
Good.
Now where are we?
We're in a taxi.
What's it called?
It's a taxi.
It's a Uber.
Uber, but it's close to a taxi.
Kind of like a taxi.
Yeah.
Alright, we're headed home to see Mom. Alright, the Uber just dropped us off. Now we're heading home. Gonna relax a little bit because I am beat. Alright guys, we're gonna do an experiment today. You guys ready?
Yes, baby.
All right.
We have the fish there.
We have the fish here.
Yeah.
What's his name?
His name is Leah.
Leah.
Because he looks like a girl.
Oh, that's Leah, the girl fish. Hi, Leah. Hi, Leah.
She has a lot of... She's
All right.
looking at you because she loves you.
All right, so guys, we're gonna do the Skittle Challenge.
Are we going to eat them and see what's yummy?
You can eat them afterward. Yeah, so we're gonna do the Skittles Challenge. You have to form a circle of Skittles in the outer perimeter of the outer circle, the outer approximation. What's it called?
The circumference of the plate.
You have to put Skittles on the circumference of the plate and divide it by 35 times pi. And then you pour water onto the plate, and once the water hits the Skittles begins to disintegrate or disseminate or dissect-inate. Drain away and liquefy, and it looks like an awesome rainbow. We're gonna try it. We have no idea what it's gonna be like, but we saw it in the video and we wanna try it. Ready? Give us a thumbs up. All right, it looks like our circle is complete. There's somewhat of a pattern there. Red, orange, green, purple, yellow. Red, orange, green, purple, yellow. Sort of. Now let's get the water. All right, here's our water, and here's our awesome plate of Skittles.
Now let's put the water on.
All right, you guys, quiet though, quiet. Ready? Ready? Here we go. Let's just see. It might take a few minutes.
It's still not happening.
Oh!
Oh my God! It's like a rainbow. No way.
How cool is that?
So cool, I can't even take it.
Now we have to wait until it touches in the middle. Let's see how close it gets. Almost closing up. Almost closing up.
It's really like rainbow. Oh my God. This is so awesome. Wow.
Is it closed up?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we got one more experiment to go. Instead of Skittles, we're gonna do GOBSTOPPERS. All right, here's experiment number 2. Here's the water. Let's see if anything else happens.
Oh, it looks like
I think the same thing's happening.
It looks like it's happening. Flip the other one over.
When you flip the GOBSTOPPERs over, they look like little eyeballs.
Or acorns.
Or acorns.
That's what Rylan said.
Colorful acorns. What do you think, Ari? Isn't it cool, dude? It cool? You want one? Can you suck on one without swallowing it?
Nope.
No, Daddy, I can't. Not yet. Ew, but when you mix the colorful water, it turns into brown. It looks like poopy water. Hey, why are you hitting me? Why are you hitting me?
Just trying to grab your shirt
What?
and other things.
Daddy has a coloring book on his arm. You like the coloring book?
Yeah.
You can color it if you want. Yes. Oh, you got it. You got it. You got the phone. Oh, you silly. You're silly.
Thanks for watching Experiments.
And then the colors drain and liquefy into the center of the plate and divide it by 35 times pi. And it looks like a rainbow. You guys ready?
Yeah.